How to log into your Temu account with email. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, you have to make sure that the application Temu is already installed in a device. If not, head over to your app store and then search for Temu. The option of Get will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and then install it on a device. Once you have the application on a device, simply open it. It will be landing you on this page. Once you are in here, head over to You at the bottom. At the top of the screen, tap on Sign In or Register. It will be landing you on this page where you'll be able to log into your specific account. From here, select the ID associated with your Temu account. Well, I have created my account from the Google account, so tap on Continue with Google. And then once again click on Continue. Now select the ID associated with your account. Tap on Continue. Wait for a while for it to load. And there you go, you have been successfully logged in to your Temu account. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can log in into your Temu account with the help of email. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.